Hi guys, my name is Kaya. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello and welcome. So today's video is going to be on this beautiful blue glittery green smoky eye look right here. I was really feeling it the day that I did create it, and also I posted a picture on Instagram and a lot of people were feeling it on Instagram as well. I'll insert that picture right here or right here so you guys can see it. So I was like, let me try and recreate it. The lip might be a little bit different, and I hate the fact that my camera isn't picking up the color as vibrant as it is in person. But if you look at the picture on Instagram, I swear that's how it will look. And if you use like the products that I'm going to list below, then you will see exactly what you need to use in order to get this look. I promise it'll be more vibrant in person than what it looks like on my camera right now. I was trying to use the natural light as well as my ring light, and it is gloomy AF outside right now. Like, it's been raining all week, so that's the only light that I got, and I didn't feel like setting up my soft boxes because that just it's gonna take a little bit too much time. I ain't got that time, you know. So this is a look that you probably seen if you watched my Justy wig review. Then you saw this look, but I just recreated the eye look for you guys so you can try it out at home if you are interested in doing so. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. We're just gonna jump on into it. Also, if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel and also like and comment on the video. I would really appreciate it, guys. And let's go. So as you can see, I've done one eye off camera, and this is the look that we're going for today. Hopefully the lighting is giving off like the vibes I gave on my video. I mean, well, not on video, on my picture on Instagram. So first thing I'm going to do is prime my eye. To prime my eye, I'm going to use the NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer. This is in the shade Golden. And then I'm going to blend this out with this flat foundation brush from Real Techniques. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the shadow before the concealer starts to crease. I'm just going to use this green shade from the Morphe 35C palette. And I'm using a flat shadow brush from Real Techniques to pack on the color. Now that the color is packed on, I'm going to move on to this light green shade. This is from the same Morphe 35C palette, and I'm using a blending brush from Avon. With this color, we're just going to blend out the edges. We're going to go back into that green shade because we want to keep that dark dimension right there in the center of the lid. Sorry you guys that my camera isn't giving off like the best lighting. I'm usually use my natural light and my ring light, and I haven't set up my soft boxes yet, so it's kind of like giving me real gloomy vibes. But I promise in person this is a lot more colorful and a lot more vibrant than what it looks like right now on the camera. Next, I'm going to go back into the NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer. I just take a little bit of the concealer just to clean off and make another sticky base for the blue and for the glitter as well. It's not so much to make a cut crease. It's more so because I want there to be a sticky base for everything to stick to. And to get rid of the cut crease look, I go in with this small detailing brush. This is from Morphe. It's the M222 brush. And I'm just going to go over the concealer right here in the center to make sure that it isn't getting rid of the green as well as giving off too much of a perfect cut crease look because that isn't what we're going for. And then go back in with our blending brush and just flick that up to make sure there aren't any harsh lines. Next, I'm going to go into the Saharan by Juvia's Place palette. And this is the color that I'm using right here, this blue shade. It's called Kia. My name is Kaya, spelled K-Y-A, and this one's spelled K-I-A. Meant to be. I'm going to go into that with a flat shadow brush and pack that on my lid. Next, we're going to go in with this really deep blue shade from the 35C palette. I'm going to pack that on my outer crease or outer corner, shall I say. Now we're going to move on to the glitter. I want to make sure I don't make a mess, which I just did. The glitter I'm using today is the NYX Brilliant Glitter. This is Brilliant. Did I even say that right? The NYX Face and Body Glitter. This is in the blue shade. It's a super pretty glitter. Hopefully you can see it. Get my lid nice and sticky for the glitter. I am going to use the Too Faced Glitter Glue. Apply it onto this flat angled brush and just apply it right there on my lid, so we can give this glitter something to stick to. We're just gonna dive into that glitter and start packing it on. Right, now we got the lids nice and glittery. I'm gonna go back into that blue shade and just make sure everything is nice and blended. And I'm just going to add just a little bit of the NYX liquid liner to my lash line. For lashes, I'm going to use the Koko Lashes in Girl About Town. So the lash glue that I've been using is the glue that I've been using lately is the Glue Boo lash glue. It's a black lash glue from Luxie Lash. And for my mascara today, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Peacock Flare mascara. Shout out to Influencer because they sent me this. So next I'm going to do my face. I'm probably going to do it pretty fast, just do like a fast forward video because you guys already know how I do my face if you usually watch my videos. So I'll go ahead and include that clip in here, and then I'll come back at the end to talk you through the rest of finishing off my eyes. So let's get it started, okay? Okay guys, so the next thing I'm doing is using a black liner. This is from Makeup Forever. I'm just going to line my waterline with it just because I want my waterline to be a little bit darker instead of being light with no color. Now using that same blue shade that I used in like my outer corner and outer crease, I'm just going to pack that color on my lower lash line because I really want the fade to start from the blue and then into the green. So we're just going to keep packing that on until I get the color payoff that I want. I really like for my lower lash line to be as colorful as possible or as vibrant as possible, so that's why we're going to keep packing it on. And now we're going to go in with the green. I'm using the same brush that I used to pack on the green color from the beginning of the tutorial. And I'm just going to basically blend and rub that in right underneath the blue. Because like I said, I want it to be a really nice fade from blue to green. I'm just going to keep going back in with those same colors until I get the color payoff that I want. Now we're going to pop on some bottom mascara. I'm using the same CoverGirl Peacock Flare mascara just to make my bottom lashes a little bit more visible. I do apologize guys about the color payoff in this freaking video. Like the sunlight was just not with me this day and it just wasn't giving me the vibrancy that these colors have. I'm really mad about that. So this is what my finished look is looking like. Really blue, really glittery. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and tell me what you would like to see next by commenting below, and let me know if you try out the look, and if you do try it out, if you post it on Instagram, hashtag KOGLAM. I'll put it somewhere on the screen so when I check that hashtag out I can see if you recreated this look. Guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. P.S. How cute are these nails? Do you know that these are kiss nails? They were $5. They're glue on. Do they not look like they're freaking like set? Like I went and got my nails done, but I didn't. Oh girl, kiss is popping.